Hi viewers, we're here with Mike Martel, Head of Portfolio Management at the Investor Solutions Group from State Street. Welcome, Mike.
Thanks, Damian. Happy to be here.
So State Street has sponsored the Investment Trends research into managed accounts for the fourth year in a row here in Australia. Have you had a chance to have a read of it?
I have, and some really interesting statistics to share with you today. And I think the first one that jumps out to me is just usage of model portfolios, which has more than tripled. Was sitting at around 17% a decade ago. It's now sitting at 56%. So that's 2 years in a row where more than half of advisors are actually embracing model portfolios. So that one jumps right off. And when you think about what's driving it, it tends to be about how can we scale the business more effectively? How can we deliver for our clients and deliver for the business? And one of the other stats that I looked at was if you looked at advisors who embraced model portfolios 4 years ago versus those who are just embracing them today, what you would find is significantly improved client flows and much larger client balances because, again, they're spending more time on their clients. The statistic that was really jumping out here as well is time savings. When you're saving 17 hours a week because you're using that, where is it going? It's going back into your business, and it's improving client service, and it's actually going out and finding new opportunities.
And I suppose all of those, when you feed those in, bigger client balances, more clients, more time saving, that would all have to lead to better earnings for advisors.
That's the plan, right? And when you think about commonalities between the Australian market and the U.S. market, that is coming through as well. And you're looking at users of model portfolios. Generally speaking, 60 to 65% are using off-the-shelf models.
Sure.
That's pretty common because that's where you're probably going to get your best scale.
We're starting to see that trend here.
Yeah. And the other one to point out would be more from a core satellite perspective. If you look at advisors and you look at the assets that they're putting in for a particular client, on average 76% are going into the model. So you're getting that great core exposure, right? So you're getting your asset allocation right, and then you're bringing in additional ideas that can really fine tune it. So whether that's a particular active strategy or maybe there's something exciting on the private market front. So again, something that really is very common here that we're also seeing in the U.S.
Yeah. Thanks for sharing that.